Today we are back at Waimiha level crossing, which very unfortunately, since filming my original video of it, has been e-belled. So both of the Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bells now sadly gone, so we've now got two Western Cullen Hayes e-bells on either side of the crossing, as you can see. There's one on the other side there. But the good news is though, the rest of the equipment is still the same, so we've still got the Western Cullen Hayes lights which have been retrofitted with LEDs. I'll zoom in on the other side over there. And then we have Westinghouse Control Boxes too, which have been here since the original mechanical bells here. But yeah, it's very disappointing though, as this was one of the last level crossings on the North Island main trunk line between Hamilton and Palmerston North with mechanical bells, but I guess it was only a matter of time though until this happened. So yeah, there's not really much else to see here, so if that's said and done, let's now go and wait for a train.